Guys, it's Fox Camera. So in today's video, I'll be doing, does 3 years make a difference for entry-level cameras? So right now I'm filming with the 2016 Canon Powershot A1400, and here is the 2013 Canon Powershot A1400. So these cameras aren't really quite on the same level of who would buy these. So the 2013 camera would be someone that's starting a YouTube channel on an under $200 budget. It's going to be one of the first cameras, and you're going to stay on the point-and-shoot market for a long time. While the camera I'm filming with right now, the 2016 Canon Powershot A1400, is more of a intermediate camera. It's going to be one of your last point-and-shoot, and it has a couple more features that I appreciate than the 2013 Canon Powershot A1400. So let's review these two cameras. So let's start out with features. So the 2013 camera, the 2013 Canon Powershot A1400, has 16 megapixels, which is still plenty for today. A retractable, but not obviously interchangeable lens. And it records 720p video, which is alright. I mean, 1080p is more standard today, but 2013, this was pretty acceptable. While as the camera I'm filming with right now, the 2016 Canon Powershot SX620HS is 20 megapixels, so 4 megapixels, higher resolution, 1080p video, which is still mostly the standard for cameras, and it has a couple more features like 8 frames per second continuous instead of 4, noise reduction or higher quality in low light at 5 megapixels instead of 4 megapixels, and a couple more shooting modes. So now I'm going to show you some stills from the Canon Powershot A1400 on screen right now. So obviously you've already seen the video quality off the SX620, since this whole video is going to be filmed on the SX620. But again, if you don't remember from the last time I recorded, this is video quality of the Canon Powershot SX620. So this is video quality of the Canon Powershot A1400. So one of the weaker sides of this camera is that the audio quality isn't quite as good, and but it's still great. I mean, the video quality is also not as good, but audio quality is what really makes this camera not good. I mean, it sounds muffled, it's pretty tinny, and it's only mono audio. So if I go to the right, let's say, if I talk to the right, it doesn't sound like it's coming from the right. When I talk to the left, it doesn't sound like it's coming from the left. So A1400 video. So the final question is, which one is more worth it? So if you're on a more budget and you care about more pictures than actual video, I recommend the A1400, but the video quality and picture is a little bit better on the SX620. So if you like higher resolution and you print your photos more often and you like a little bit better color, I'd go more towards the SX620. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, hit the bell button, and we'll see you next video.